Everyone and welcome back to Driven Data Mom. I am Bandana and you are watching the SQL A to Z interview series. In today's episode, B stands for between, one of the most powerful SQL operators used to filter data in SQL. So stay tuned as we crack real world interview questions step by step. The first scenario is sales filter using between. So question is, a company wants to identify orders where sales are between 1000 and 3000. Write an SQL query to find such records. So here is the table. So this table contains order ID, customer name, sales and region. It has total 4 columns and 5 rows. So we have to find out the sales between 1000 and 3000. So clearly we can find that between 1000 and 3000 there are 3 rows. So what will be the query? So query is select asterisk from orders where sales between 1000 and 3000. And this query will give the row number 2, 3 and 5. So in this case, between includes both boundary values 1000 and 3000. So it selects all records where sales are in that range. So next scenario is filtering by region and range. So our question is, find all orders from the East region where sales are between 1500 and 3000. So this our table is same, that is total 4 column and 5 rows. So we have to find out the region where sales are between 1500 and 3000. So there is only one row, that is the order ID 5 with the customer name Priya. So what will be our query? Select asterisk from orders where regions is equal to East and sales between 1500 and 3000. And there will be only one record here, that is East region, and sales is in between 1500 and 3000. We combine the between operator with a where condition. This helps us narrow down results to only the East region with mid-range sales. So moving to the next scenario, that excluding a range. So the question is, the finance team wants to list all orders with sales outside the range of 1000 to 3000. So the query will be, select asterisk from orders where sales not between 1000 and 3000. So this is the output. Here we found only the 2 rows, that is order ID 1 and 4. So not between helps you exclude a range, ideal when management wants to find low or high performing sales. So our next question is, find the total sales from each region. So the table is, it has a 3 columns, order ID, region and sales, and total 5 rows. So from this table we have to find out the total sales from each region. It has total 3 region, east, north, south. So the output must be north, south and east, because this is the rows that fulfill the criteria. So here we use the sum function to tell all sales for each region using group by. It helps summarize data effectively. So next question is, show the total sales for each region but only for those regions where total sales are greater than 10,000. So we have used the same table. So the query will be, select region sum as total sales from orders, group by region having some sales greater than 10,000. So what will be the output? So output will be only the north and south region. But whenever we add the north, we will find 13,000 and this is greater than 10,000. And whenever we add the south region, it will give the 11,000. So it will also greater than 10,000. So notice the having clause here, it filters aggregated results after grouping. Where filters before grouping but having filters after aggregation. So next question is, a manager wants to find the total sales for each region in 2025 where total sales are above rupees 1 lakh. So our sample tables contains order ID, region, sales and order date, and it has total 5 rows, and it has the region north, south and east. So from this table we have to find out the uh, result. So what will be the query? The query will select region sum sales as total sales from orders where year is equal to 2025, group by region having some sales greater than 1 lakh. So output will be in the north region, total sale is 1 lakh 8,000, south region 49,000, east region 30,000 and west region 25,000. So final output will be uh, north is equal to 1 lakh 8,000. So this query filters records for 2025 first using the where clause, then groups by region and applies having to display only those regions with sales above rupees 1 lakh. From the same orders table, find the top 3 customers who spent the most in 2025. So what will be the query? Select customer name, sum sales as total spent from orders where year is equal to 2025, group by customer name, order by total spent, descending, limit 3. This query groups sales by customer, orders them by the total amount spent in descending order, and shows only the top 3 result using limit. So our output will be clearly Sneha, Rahul and Priya. So here we grouped sales by customer, sorted them in descending order using order by, and displayed only the top 3 results with limit 3. So that was episode 2 of the SQLAZ series, real world scenario based interview questions. In the next episode, we will move to joins and learn how to combine multiple tables. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Driven Data Mom for episode 3. Thank you.